What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from WellStar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm going to be sharing with you two of the cleanest creatine products that you can possibly take. Now, the reason I'm creating this video is because my doctor, who's a Harvard-trained radiologist, said that if you do take creatine, you need to ensure that your hydration is healthy and you're staying hydrated. Hydration is a composition of drinking enough water, meaning you're getting enough water in, but also ensuring that your body has the different minerals and electrolytes necessary to create what's known as intracellular hydration. This means that the water on the outside of your cell, that round cell, penetrates and gets into the cell. That means intra, I-N-T-R-A cellular, as opposed to extra, E-X-T-R-A, which is outside of the cell. The reason this is so important is because creatine taxes your kidneys. And if you're not properly hydrated, kidneys, which are your filtering organ, are going to have they're going to be struggled, they're going to be challenged. So hydration goes hand in hand with taking creatine. And if you don't hydrate properly and you're taking creatine, you could actually be causing damage to your kidneys. So it's important to note that creatine is literally just 3 amino acids: arginine, methionine, and glycine. Those 3 amino acids. So it's not like these amino acids are foreign to the body and the body doesn't know how to utilize them. These amino acids are essential to the body. However, when you take just these amino acids, the creatine and your kidneys has to process them. Another thing that you should know is that your creatinine levels, which are revealed through a urine test, if they are high, if they are elevated, this is a sign that your body already has too much creatine. And then this is a metabolite, a breakdown process of excess creatine in your body. So you don't need to take creatine if your creatinine levels are high. In fact, I would recommend that you don't. However, if your creatinine levels are low or they're normal, then you can take it to receive the enhanced benefits of building more muscle, getting more hydration, getting more water into your muscles, and also the benefits of brain health. There's also benefits that show it improves energy levels and cognitive function when people are sleep deprived. So there are many benefits to creatine, but the challenge then becomes which creatine is healthy and clean, because a lot of lab tests and reports that are now published online are showing that creatine is filled with different heavy metals, different synthetics, different things that are essentially polluting the body. And just like in your diet, you want to eat clean, you don't want to eat foods with preservatives or artificial flavors or GMOs or seed oils, you want to ensure that your creatine is also as healthy as can possibly be and as clean as possible. So the reason I'm creating this video today is to simply share with you me and my research and my own experimentation in my own life. I have found 2 creatine products to be the cleanest and healthiest. One is the cleanest formula and one is the smartest formula. And I'll explain why, and I'll break down the science behind that with each formula individually. I just think it's important to understand that you need to stay hydrated and you need to make sure your creatinine levels are normal or low if you're going to start taking creatine. If they are, it's safe to proceed and your kidneys are going to be okay. However, if they're not, like in my case right now, for example, my creatinine levels are high. So I need to stop taking creatine to ensure that my kidneys get back on track, I'm properly hydrated, and my body is properly metabolizing protein. So your protein metabolism is a precursor to the protein that you're ingesting. And creatine, it really just, honestly, it just gives you a great pump in the gym. Like you feel it, your muscles have more water in them because the creatine, those amino acids, help to drive that water into your muscle tissue. So let's jump into the 2 types of creatine. The first one I'm going to share with you is a brand called Lineage Provisions. Lineage Provisions does lab tests, and as you can see, it says it's tested for purity. And on their website, you can actually see their lab tests. So this is like 16 ounces, it's a pound of creatine. The regular dose is 5 grams. So that's gonna last you quite some time. And some people do 1-2 grams. I personally recommend spreading them out. So doing 1 gram morning, 1 gram midday, 1 gram night kind of thing, or 1.5 grams, something like that, because then you're making it easier on your kidneys. I don't understand why everyone just throws the whole dose at once. Might as well space it out and make it easier for your kidneys. But with that being said, this Lineage Provisions, they're lab tested, and this company lab tests like everything in terms of their supplements, at least as far as I know. So I love that. It's very clean, it's very pure, and it's lab tested, and you can actually view the lab test on their website. So this is the one of the creatines that I recommend, and I will link that up right below in the comment section. So this is the cleanest one I have found because they published their lab tests, and I haven't found other companies that do that in terms of creatine, at least. The second company that I recommend is Qualia Life. Qualia Life has a product called Creatine Plus, and this, in my personal opinion, is the smartest creatine formula, and I'll explain why. On the back, you see magnesium, sodium, and chloride, and then it has creatine monohydrate, which both are creatine monohydrate, which is the most studied form of creatine, and then creatine magna powder, which is a magnesium creatine chelate, and sea salt. So if you do research into creatine, you learn that magnesium, sodium, and potassium are essential elements for creatine, for your kidneys to stay healthy and for your kidneys to be well while you're taking creatine. Additionally, chloride, which is in here as well, it's an ion that binds to the creatine along with the potassium in an effort, not an effort, that's what's needed, it's what's necessary for the creatine to actually absorb into your body. So remember earlier how I talked about the excess creatine and creatinine levels? This formula is the smartest because it includes the exact minerals, the magnesium, the sodium, the potassium, the chloride, what is needed to support the health of your kidneys, but additionally to ensure that the creatine is utilized efficiently and effectively. So I really like this formula because I noticed when I start taking creatine, because my creatinine levels are high, I'm a great test subject, and I noticed some side effects essentially. Like one, for example, is I'll wake up at I think it's like 4 o'clock, don't quote me on that, but there's a certain window of time overnight that if you wake up, it signals that your kidneys are struggling, and another hour for your liver, your lungs, so on and so forth. It's based in Chinese medicine, which is thousands of years old. I noticed that when I take regular creatine, not Qualia Life, but regular creatine, I'll wake up at that time. But when I was taking Qualia Life, I wasn't waking up at that time. So I noticed that this one, I think the mineral composition paired with it really helped me, and it's just the smartest formula. So personally, if you want to just get the cleanest formula, this one does have, I will say, it has sodium in it as well, but it's only sodium and creatine monohydrate. So it's not the smartest formula, but it is the cleanest, and it has lab tests to back it up, which you can view online. But Qualia Life has the magnesium sodium chloride and the magnesium creatine chelate. So it's essentially like pre-digestible, pre-metabolized creatine and better absorption creatine. So both are great. It just depends on what you're going for. So I just wanted to share these two products because if you're looking to get creatine and get more gains in the gym, optimize cognitive function, or improve your sleep health essentially, or improve your recovery from bad sleep, creatine is great. And these are the only two products. These are the only two creatine products I'll ever recommend, at least right now, to any of my health coaching clients. So I'll link them both up below. This link is a discount code. This link will have a discount code, so both will have discounts. And if you want to get discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands that I have personally vetted as a health and wellness coach, visit healthywildfree.com/shop below in the comment section. You'll get discount codes, free shipping, special offers from a ton of high quality brands that I've personally vetted over the years. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to leave your comments and questions below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.